Hi, I'm Maria from Crochet A to Z, and in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to make this really pretty stitch. All it is 2 half double crochets in 1 chain. It's just works up really quick. You can make an Afghan with it, you can make a baby Afghan with it, you can make a lapcan with it. You can actually even crochet a scarf and a multitude of other things with it. It's a really pretty pattern, and it moves quickly. So once you start going, it just multiplies. So I'm going to show you how we got there. So what I did was I chained 30, and what you have to do with this is you have to chain in a multiple of 2s. So it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 until you get to your desired length. And from here, what we're going to do is, here's my crochet hook, and then we're going to go 2 V's down. I call them V's. 1, 2 chains down, and we're going to do our half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into that second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. We're going to make another half double crochet right in that same spot, and we'll pull through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skip a chain. So we're going to skip a chain, and we're going to go into the next chain. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to do another half double crochet. And here we go. And we're going to do another half double crochet right in that same spot. And then we're going to skip another chain, and we're going to do another half double crochet in that same spot. And we're going to do another one right in that same spot. So we're going to keep doing right across. We're going to do half double crochets. We're going to skip a chain, then we work the next one, and we put another half double crochet, and we put another half double crochet in there. And we're going to keep doing this until we get, so here's where I skip, then I'm going to go into the next one. We're going to keep doing our half double crochets. Now it's not a bad idea, if you crochet tightly, it's not a bad idea to start these chains loosely so you can start this work more easily. So that's a recommendation that I have, because when I did it the first time, my chains were too tight, because that's the way I crochet. So if you remember to just not chain as tightly if you are a tight chainer with your starting chains. This way here, it'll make it easier for you to go across. And we're going to skip one. We're going to do our half double crochet again, and we're going to put another one in that same spot, and then we're going to keep moving. There's a skip, here's another one, and then we're going to go in that same spot. And this is a repeat, so this is, when you get going, you're going to see that once you get to your second row, this is going to be a repeat. So you're going to be repeating this pattern right across until you get to the end of this. So here we go with our second half double crochet in the same spot. We're skipping one. There's our one we're skipping. Then we're going to go to the next one. Then we're going to skip again. Going to go to our next one. And just remember, you make 2. You'll know if you've left one out. You'll just be able to see it. This is good if, like, in the summer months, a lot of people make their Christmas gifts in the summer for Christmas. This would be like a nice thing if you wanted to make a few of them. This is a nice quick pattern, and if depending on the yarn you use, it's really beautiful. So now we're gonna go to the end. We're at the end. We're gonna skip one as we always do, and in that last chain, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna make our 2 half double crochets right in that last chain, and then we're gonna chain 1. We're gonna turn our work around. And this is where it gets interesting. We're gonna yarn over. Now we're gonna go in the middle of those 2 half double crochets that we made, and we're gonna make 2 half double crochets right in the middle of those 2 half double crochets that we made from the row before. So here we go. And there's our first one. So now we're gonna go into the next one, and here's our next 2 half double crochets. We're going to go in there. We're going to make a half double crochet. We're going to make another half double crochet. And here we go again. So this is where the repeat just keeps going. You're just going to keep doing a repeat on this. So you're going to look for the next one. There's your half double crochets. We're going to do 2 half double crochets in that same, right in the middle. Now we're going to go to the next one. There's our 2 half double crochets. We're going right in the middle of those. Right, there you go. There you are, right in the middle. And we're going to make 2 half double crochets in the middle spot. And we're going to do it again in the next one. And then we're going to go in the next one right in the middle. Half double crochet. We're going to do another half double crochet. Next one, we're going to do another half double crochet. We're going to do our second one right in the middle of that, 2 of them from that first row of half double crochets. We're going to go in the next one. We're going to just keep doing this right across. I'm going to show you how you can see how you can see them one and the other one. So you're going to go right in there. You can see it right there. It's your finger guides you through that. And you're just going to keep going. See your finger brings, there's your 2 half double crochets. There's the middle of it. You're going to go right in. A second one. Here we go again. There we go. Then when you get going, you're going to get so used to, you're almost going to be able to spot it right away. You're not going to have to search for it. It's going to be, oh yeah, there it is right there. That's exactly where I have to go in. Now this is your last one. You're going to still do your half double crochets. And then what's going to happen is you're going to chain 1. You're going to turn it around. And you're going to repeat what you did in that other row. So you're going to yarn over, go in the middle of those 2 half double crochets, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, go in the middle, pull up, sorry, let me go back, yarn over, go in the middle, pull up, and there you go. Yarn over, you're going to go in the middle there again, there it is in the middle. You're going to find your middle, you're going to pull up, your half double crochet. And like I said, it's going to get to the point where you're going to be able to find them pretty quickly. And that's what you're going to do right across. You're going to keep doing those half double crochets. At the end, you're going to do your last 2 half double crochets. You're going to chain 1 and turn your work around. Again, you're going to do your half double crochets. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 and turn around. And that's when you get, this is what you get. Now, depending on the yarn you use, this was a Red Heart yarn, and it's a Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and the color is, it's a gray, it's Dove, it's gray, so it's all different color grays. So if you put that up against that, you can just see the differences in what you get. This is Lion Brand Landscapes. I love Lion Brand. That's one of my favorite yarns to use. This is really soft, so you can make anything with this, but this is a Lion Brand, like I said, and this is multiple colors. It's it's called Apple Orchard. So depending on the yarn that you use, like everything, depending on the yarn you use is the way your texture, your softness, and also sometimes one yarn will make something look so much different than another yarn. So this is Maria from Crochet A to Z. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.